Hello, dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine and going well. So, dear students, today we are going to learn about interesting topics like food spoilage, food waste, and food preservation of chapter number 4 Mangoes Round the Year. So, without any further delay, let's start these topics. So, what is food spoilage? See, food spoilage is the process in which food deteriorates to the point it is not edible to humans. Or we can say, any change in the visual, odor, or texture of food that makes it unacceptable for consumption is also known as food spoilage. During food spoilage, original nutritional value of the food is decreased and food becomes harmful to people. Now, what are the causes of food spoilage? The first one is inadequate storage temperature. Second one is prolonged storage time. Third one is improper ventilation. And fourth one is prolonged delay between receiving and storing. Now, what are the types of food spoilage? There are basically three types of food spoilage. First one is physical spoilage, like moisture gain or loss by the product. Second one is chemical spoilage, like browning of vegetables and fruits. Third one is microbial spoilage, like microorganisms growth in bread, etc. Now, what is food poisoning? Uncooked or undercooked food is quite toxic for humans and animals. The toxic effects produced due to the consumption of spoiled and harmful foods are known as food poisoning. Now, what is manufacturing and expiry dates of a product? Manufacturing date is the date of manufacturing or production of the product, as we can see in the picture. An expiry date is previously determined date after which something should no longer be used, either by operation of law or by exceeding the anticipated shelf life for perishable goods. Both manufacturing and expiry dates are mentioned in every product. Now, what is food wastage? Food wastage is the food appropriate for human consumption being discarded whether or not after it is kept beyond its expiry date or left to spoil. It means that food wastage is the food which is fit for human consumption, but instead of that, the food is wasted, lost, or thrown away in the dustbin. This is called food wastage. Now, what is the difference between the food spoilage and food wastage? Food spoilage is the process in which food deteriorates to the point it is not edible to eat and harmful to humans. While in the case of food wastage is appropriate food that is wasted, lost, or uneaten. So think before you waste your food. Now, what is food preservation? Food preservation is the process of treating food with an aim to either slow down or stop its spoilage while maintaining the nutritional value, texture, and flavor of the food. Food preservation helps to reduce the growth of microorganisms or kill these microorganisms. Now, what are the ways of food preservation? So there are different ways like boiling, dehydration, freezing, pasteurization, by chemical preservatives, and using salt, sugar, and oil, etc. What are the advantages of food preservation? So first one is food preservation helps to increase the shelf life of the food. Second one is decreased or no food spoilage and food wastage due to preserving of the food. Third one is low hazards from microbial pathogens. Fourth one is retains the quality of food like its nutritional value, texture, flavor, color, etc. Now you can see in this picture. So think again before you waste your food. Help and share your food with poor and needy people. So dear viewers, I hope this video has helped you to understand how food is spoiled, wasted, and how can we prevent the food from spoiling and wasting with the help of food preservation. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share the information with your friends, It's free, so you can subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any updates. Keep watching, keep supporting and keep motivating. Thank you so much.